But my view, which is that Nvidia will be 800 by 2030, has more to do than just one chip. It has to do with the fact that there's an AI revolution and we're only in the first inning. And actually, more important, we're migrating from Web 2 to Web 3, which Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and Citibank estimates it will be a $10 trillion transition in the market. So Nvidia powers all of the accelerated computing to make that happen.
So it's very clear that by 2030, they are predicting Nvidia clean $800 without any split. So, well, is that a very less price? Well, if it goes to $800, imagine the market cap. The market cap would be sitting around like more than $10 trillion. That would be crazy by 2030. But I got a one point here. By 2030, if it reaches more than $10 trillion in market cap, Nvidia especially, I think so, $10 trillion in 2030 would be a great deal. Right now, $3 trillion in 2024, it's a very big deal as of a market cap. But if you take this $3 trillion to 2030, I think so. In 2030, $3 trillion would be not such a big deal. Probably the Palantir stock would have been sitting around like in $3 trillion if you count to 2030. Right now, Palantir is not even a $1 trillion company, but if you count to 2030, probably Palantir would have will be around $3 trillion, but it would not be such a big deal. But when it comes to $10 trillion in 2030, I think so, because of the valuation, everything will become so expensive. The currency will lose its value and all this kind of geopolitical situations and all. And of course, money will not be worth so much. That's why the numbers are just keep on increasing. And the size of the companies are just going crazily massive. So $10 trillion or more than $10 trillion in 2030 for Nvidia would be a big deal. As if you compare now, I don't think so $10 trillion in a year or two would be really possible for Nvidia. I don't think so. But for 2030, yes, it's absolutely a great fit for probably a top 5 companies. So is it a better time to invest? Well, if you're investing for a longer term, for 5 to 6 years, I recommend you to invest much as possible in Nvidia. Anyways, it's not a financial advice. It's a clear thing that I'm trying to tell you, that it's only for educational purpose. It's with my 10 years of experience in the market, I'm telling you with that, it's for just educational purpose only. So don't take it wrong. If you want to know more, the link is down in the description. You can come and join the group, and there you can trade with us. You can go long-term, swing trade, and day trade. And we give you stocks, when to buy exactly, when to sell exactly, and you can make money consistently. So you'll be guided on every single step. The link is down in the description for the Discord, and you can join the group through Patreon. And also you can join the YouTube membership, and you can have exclusive videos only for you. Whatever video you request, it'll be made for you only. So anyways, coming back to Nvidia will be a great investment if you do it now, because now the market cap is around like $3 trillion and the stock price is just right less than $130, and that would be a great fit for your portfolio because the stocks are very cheap now. Not the stocks, I mean Nvidia stock is very cheap now because after the split. But when it goes to $800, again, people will be crying and all this kind of stupid stuff. They will be telling, oh, it's too expensive to invest. That's way too higher. I don't have enough money. You can have enough money. You can invest now. You can, even if you buy one share every single every single week or two, that would be great. Start to invest, pile up your positions in Nvidia. Probably by 2030, you can retire pretty easily. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, so it would encourage for me to make more and more videos for you guys. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think where Nvidia will head probably in by 2030, from now on, 6 years from now on, where Nvidia will be sitting in the sense of market cap. So I think so probably it will be sitting around like $10 trillion. This is my estimation. It can even go to 12 to 13 trillion dollars, but I'm estimating just 10 as a round figure, as a psychological number. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.